How to check deleted messages on Snapchat. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Go to the chat screen by swiping right from the camera. If the message is recently deleted, ask the other person to resend or screenshot it before it disappears. If the messages are gone, tap your Bitmoji or profile icon in the top left corner. Then tap on the gear icon to go to Settings. Scroll down and tap on My Data under the Account Actions section. Make sure you've selected Chat History from the options. Scroll down and tap on Next. Now select the date range and tap on the Submit button. Snapchat will prepare a file of your data which includes saved chat history. After some time, you'll get an email with a link to download your data. Open the file and check for chat history or deleted messages. And that's how you can check deleted messages on Snapchat.